Welcome to District 76, where our vision is to embrace, empower, and excel each child each day. Our district is a place where future leaders are nurtured and visionaries are molded. We prioritize SparkleOn, which exemplifies our core values and mindset of service, passion, advocacy, respect, kindness, love, equity, opportunity, nurture. We have 3 schools on 2 campuses that prioritize the mission. 3 schools, 1 district, preparing our children to be lifelong learners engaged in their community and ready to navigate their world. We are proud that our buildings are warm and welcoming, harboring the ideals of educating the whole child, prioritizing kindness, cherishing friendships, and a shared pursuit of learning. Step inside and experience our teaching and learning environments where every learner feels safe, welcome, valued, and at home. From the front offices to all of our learning spaces, the climate and culture prioritizes belonging, safety, and love, so all students and staff can learn, grow, and thrive. At D76, we cultivate a climate and culture that prioritizes mutual trust, respect, kindness, teamwork, and friendship. Through collaborative and engaging Institute Days, we focus on high-quality professional development opportunities that strengthen our staff's growth, learning, and leadership. We were named a 2023 Fortune Great Places to Work in Chicago, which is exemplified with our dedicated staff who work hand in hand, sharing resources, learning from and with each other, and working collaboratively together. They bring an exciting synergy, blending diverse ideas and experiences. The pursuit of academic excellence is the cornerstone of District 76, where 92% of our students made growth in English language arts and 94% of our students made growth in math. With cutting-edge resources and innovative teaching approaches, we prepare our students with rigorous and relevant learning experiences to ensure their growth and progress. Our modern facilities reflect our commitment to providing an optimal learning environment for all students and learning styles. Every space, whether for learning, dining, or collaborating, is designed to inspire creativity and facilitate growth and excellence. Welcome to our Professional Development Center, the Sparkle Center, a hub for exciting and engaging professional growth and opportunities. Here, our educators are the learners, enhancing their skills and acquiring new ones to ignite the spark of knowledge in our students. Health and wellness are essential, and at D76, it is a priority that we undertake with vigor and commitment. Our fitness center and gymnasiums are colorful, safe, and inviting spaces where we ensure a balance of social, emotional, and physical health and well-being. Our journey would be incomplete without recognizing the accolades that honor our commitment and hard work. Every award and recognition is a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence that defines District 76, inspiring us to set new benchmarks in education and elevating our pride for our amazing district. Thank you for visiting District 76, a place where we embrace, empower, and excel each child, each day, and hold true to our core values that make us all sparkle on.